Blessings peeps and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Today we are at the lovely VIP lounge in Eastern Prospect in St. Thomas. Alright? Yeah man. So yeah, VIP is a hangout spot, is a bar and lounge. They do food to order, fish, lobster, them do burger and fries too. And it's reasonable, so it's a nice place where you can come and hang out. It's family friendly and all that. So I'm gonna show you around guys, alright?
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and I traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
Blessings again, peeps. Elite Jamaica here at Multiplex TV. Here at the VIP bar and lounge, Prospect St. Thomas. Just want to make you know, say VIP, the food to order to them, the seafood, fish, lobster, all of them things. And guess what? Burger and fries. I almost love my burger and fries, so I'm never really sure of that. Yeah, man, but y'all can come down and enjoy. The night them have some pretty light on. It's an amazing place, peeps. I'm happy to see it for myself. Alright? Y'all stay blessed now.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Yeah, peeps. Elite Jamaica here with
Multiplex Jamaica, VIP lounge, East Prospect, St. Thomas. Place be nice place.
and I know I'm coming to bring my belly, fish, lobster, burger, everything there around here.
Down to order. So
Don't
remember,
order, yeah man. So yeah man, they can come in at night, they have some local light show and
the
all of
boss lady here, so
And
Miss
the best
Jennifer.
food is right here.
that. Alright, the
The
burger
best
queen.
burgers is here, and I am Burger Queen.
Right, VIP bar lounge, Prospect, St.
VIP
Thomas.
boss, Jennifer Madden.
Alright.
Of fullness.
Yeah man, so we're going to have an interview with Jennifer shortly. Alright peeps, look out for that.
Yes, I'm here with the boss of VIP lounge in Eastern St. Thomas Prospect to be exact. VIP. Talking with the boss now, Miss Jennifer.
Madden.
Jennifer Madden. Yes, Miss Jennifer, how long this place is in operation?
Well, I can say a couple of years now.
Couple of years, like 5 years, 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years, I think over 10 years.
Okay, so during the period of the COVID, how do you find the place, the traffic, people coming in?
No, it was rough, really rough. Nobody was coming in. Actually, nobody was coming in. It was very, very rough. We didn't have nothing, and we had to close down for like 6 weeks. So, that it was rough. It still is rough, but I think it's getting a little better, and we have faith, and so we're hoping for the best. But I mean, You know, we're all feeling it from the COVID. You know, we're all feeling it.
Okay, so you get local visitors or you have visitors out of St. Thomas?
We get local visitors, yes, and we have visitors from out of St. Thomas. I don't say it's regular sometimes, but anybody come into St. Thomas this side, you know, we come and visit the VI.
Okay, so do you have returning customers?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so you're saying, so what you're saying is that whenever people come to this place, they are pleased with the quality of service that you offer.
Well, you're not going to please everybody because as you see my sign right there, it's a failure. It's trying to please everybody.
Okay,
so you cannot please everybody, but we try our best to please.
So I see you have food done to order. Like what do you have?
We do fish, shrimp, lobster. We do a good burger too. So we do burgers and fries and like pasta.
So as I look up there, I said the sign there. What is that? Burger Queen.
Burger Queen. So
that's
me.
Burger Queen.
Right.
Okay.
That's me.
Okay. Then.
Yeah, you know.
All right. I have a question I wanted to ask you, but it slipped me. Right. So I'm gonna ask you another question. Right. Like party, wedding. What do you do down here?
Well, we used to do wedding reception because we do a couple of weddings here. But I kind of close it off from the corona. We don't do anything at all like that anymore. We usually just rent the place for weddings and things, but we don't really do that anymore. We shut that down completely.
Okay. I saw a lot of pictures all around in the dining area with entertainer from Bob Marley, Tarrus Riley, Buju Banton, Bounty Killer, name all of them.
The works, yeah.
So, can you explain why you have all those pictures there?
Well, I am a lover of music, you know. From ever since, I am a lover of music. And in the 80s, when we used to go Stone Love, it was Stone Love was our sound at that time, and Ninja Man was our artist at that time as teenagers and things. But I just love music overall, and you know, and the artists, you know, I just have them as a, you know, as a touch to VIP and thing. And I am on a lot of the picture with some of the artists in our younger days.
So they passed through V.I.P and you went out and took all those pictures with them?
So most of those pictures is out. But you have a lot of entertainers come to VIP. And I want to tell you something too, is night before last night, Chronicler was here.
Okay.
You understand? And he was here because it's a place I can visit.
Okay.
All the time. Yeah.
Okay.
6, you know?
Yeah.
Right, and things. So, yeah, man, a lot of artists pass through here. You have like Carl Dawkins, Errol Dunkley, Ken Booth,
Okay.
Tony Tuff,
So,
Little Lenny.
Veteran.
All of them.
Okay. Earlier
Plenty, a lot of artists pass through here. And Tarrus Riley did a video here. Richie Stevens did a video here. Ja Vinci do a video here.
Okay, so
you know.
So you're saying that if there's any entertainer out there who want to come and do a video at V.I.P in St. Thomas, they are welcome to come and do a video. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Earlier on you mentioned something about some month-end activity that you wanted to start here.
Oh yes. We said we want to. We just want to capitalize on what's going on and things. So I say we want to try a little mountain. And early thing, nothing too big, just a little mountain. All it's retro, cause we just do all it's at the VIP, I just come and sit down and eat a fish and listen some music from DJ Snow. Cause we're going to use DJ Snow and things that would be like every mountain. So we hope to kick it off like August mountain if we still have.
Okay, I remember we have to follow all those protocols that are in place in order for our patron, right?
But VIP is a very big place, VIP is a big place. It's a very big place. And we have the upstairs here. We have out by the gazebo. It's a very big place. So you find that it's a very big place. So you find that 100 people lost into the VIP, and you don't even have to brush shoulder with anybody. You understand? Yeah, 'cause VIP is a big place.
Okay, Miss Bobby, thank you for speaking to us on this short notice, and we are planning to come back here another time and eat some more food and and
You're welcome. You're always
liquor and
welcome.
everything.
Always welcome. And I do appreciate, and big up
Elite
Elite.
Jamaica.
Big up Elite Jamaica, doing a great job here in Jamaica, showing you guys what's happening and the places, and some people haven't been home for such a long time, and when they see things like those, it's really exciting, 'cause you never feel this way until you're abroad, so big up yourself, Elite,
Blessings.
every time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So
People, I was here enjoying myself with Jennifer and the crew at VIP in St. Thomas. And people, please remember, visit VIP in St. Thomas. As I say, visit VIP Lounge and Bar in Eastern St. Thomas Prospect, to be exact. It's less than 5 minutes away from the main road.
right, and this is a hidden gem. Trust me, it is a
Hold
hidden
on.
Good either way.
People,
Yeah.
I want you to come in the night. It's the night time. I'm
Beautiful.
telling you, man.
Beautiful
It's
light show.
either way, it's a getaway, it's everything.
Right, and I want to
Visit
tell you
VIP.
something. It have a very nice ambience in the day, and it have a very nice ambience in the night. So anytime you come, whether you come in the day or you come in the night, you're going to always have a very nice ambience and things. So, Yeah.
Okay then.
Okay.
Yeah, blessings again, peeps. We're here with Vivian, bartender here at VIP. I'm not surrounded to be in two questions. How long have you been working here at the bar at VIP?
Just started today, but I know Jennifer for a long time.
Oh, you just started work today?
Yes,
Such luck.
I know her for a very long time.
So you normally do bar work other places, or this is your first bar work?
This is my second bar work. Because I used to work in a bar. This is the second time working.
Okay.
Yes.
What's the difference working here at this bar or the other corner bars, pubs?
Well, here is a more relaxing place where you can come and relax. Than the iPad. Relax.
I've noticed
Yes.
where they are playing all the
We play here, but you can relax here. Comfortable zone. And your spouse come and relax and have a drink and eat something.
Okay.
It's a loving zone.
I look like somebody once said. It was lovely speaking with you. Yeah, peeps, VIP, the food to order to, and the fish. Sooner or later, I'm telling you, pause and start over.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel, Karate Boss. Sorry, stop that.